Now let's write a program to find how many elements are actually available inside the linked list. So I would like to create a method called as size, and this method should tell me how many elements are there inside this particular linked list. So how can I implement this? Very simple. All I have to do is, since I can't directly get it, I need to count one by one from this end till that end. So I need to come over here and check, is this a node? Yes, if it's a node, count it. So I will count 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and over here when I go, I will get to know that I am out of linked list, and that's when I will stop counting and I will return the value of count. So this would be the logic. Now how to implement this logic? It's very simple. Since I have to keep track of count, definitely I need to create a variable called as count, and at the same time, since I have to go to each and every node over here, I need one more reference which refers to the node. So the first thing is, I need a reference which refers to the node. So the reference I would like to take it as current. So I will say current is equal to head. So current will be pointing to the first node at start. At the same time, I need to keep track of count. So I will say starting count will be equal to 0. Now what I need to do is, I need to write a while loop which will go from here, where the current goes from here till the last node, or till I finish completing traversing all the nodes. How can I do that? Means whenever current is over here, I need to increase count. Whenever current is here, I need to increase count. Whenever current is here, I need to increase count. Whenever current is here, I need to increase count. Whenever current reaches here, I need to stop. For this, we have already seen a while loop. So the while is very simple. I need to say while, and I need to make sure whenever current is not equal to null. So over here it's equal to null. Over here it's not equal to null. Over here it's not equal to null. Over here it's not equal to null, and over here it's not equal. So every time when it is not equal to null, I need to make sure that I am increasing the value of count. So along with that, I need to make sure I am moving the current to the next node as well. So how do I do that? I will check whether current is not equal to null, and in the next line I will write if I need to move the current at the same time. So I will move the current. So for that I will write current equal to current dot next, and after that at the same time I will increase the value of count. So once I am done with all of this, once I come out of this, I need to return the count. So let's trace it and check how does it work properly. So first I will create a variable called as count, and I will create a variable called as current which will point in. I will check whether current is not equal to null. It's not equal to null. Since it's not equal to null, I will increase the value of count. So the value of count becomes 1, at the same time current also moves. So these are the two lines that's executing. Again I will check whether current is not equal to null. It's not equal to null. Since it's not equal to null, I will move it, I will increase it. Count becomes 2. Next, I am checking is current not equal to null. You can clearly see current is not equal to null. So I will move it and then increase. So count value becomes 3 and current is pointing there. Next again I will check is current not equal to null. You can clearly see current is not equal to null, but current dot next is equal to null. So what I will do is I will move the current. So current is equal to current dot next, current will go to null. Current goes to null, at the same time count also increases to 4. Now current is already pointing to null. I don't have to do anything. Since I don't have to do anything, I will come out of the loop. Once I come out of the loop, all I have to do is return count. So count has 4 and there are 4 elements over here. So I hope this particular thing is completely clear to you. Make sure that you write the code and execute and check whether it's working or not working. Now let's write the code to find how many elements are there inside the particular linked list. For this, I am going to create a method called as size. So let's directly go to inside the linked list class, and inside the linked list class, let me minimize these methods. I will minimize this. I will minimize the above method as well, and I will come inside this. And over here I will implement the method called as size. So I will say int, so it returns an integer value because the size will be of integer value. So I will say int, and the method name will be size. Great. I will come inside this, and inside this I need to write the code. Now what exactly is the code? I need to actually create two variables. One is current, which is pointing to the first node. So I will say in current is equal to head. Current equal to head. And after that, in the next thing, I need to introduce a variable called as count. So I will say int count is equal to 0. Now a simple while loop to traverse the complete linked list. So I will say while, and I will say when current is not equal to null, I will come inside. All I have to do is move the current, at the same time increase the value of count. So I will move the current is equal to current dot next, current equal to current dot next, and after that I will say count plus plus. I means I am increasing the value of count. Great. I'll come outside the loop and I will just say system return the value of count. So this is all the code. Let's see, execute and check whether it's working or not. So first let's go to the main method, and in the main method I will remove all the 3 lines, and over here I will say system.out.print. So what I need to print is the number of elements present inside the linked list. For that, all I have to do is ln.size. Great. So if I execute this and check, I will get the number of elements present inside the linked list. So you can clearly see it's 4 in 4. So if I comment any one of these lines, so let me comment any one of these lines. So then now I have inserted only 3 elements, so it should give me 3. So if I execute this, it will say me 3. So I hope this thing is completely clear to you. So make sure that you are actually executing all of this code. I know I am repeating these things, but it is very much necessary for you to write and type it out, or else you will definitely not be improving your coding skills. If you have enjoyed this video and would not like to miss any of our videos, hit on the subscribe button and click the bell icon.